Hi everyone, I'm doing about the ROG Strix video. It's Q713Q, G713Q. Here are the parameters. It's my new PC. I bought this because I want something new. It's about drive. Okay, let's open it up. It's the first time that I'm unboxing this. Let's see how it's done. Okay, let's do this like we don't. One. Nice, it's now open. With this one, it's now open. Let's put it right in here. Let's watch it again. It's ROG Strix. Okay, let's open this one. Okay, so look at this. When you open this box, something must come out, but nothing comes out. Let's try to open like more of it. Oh no, I think I will take it like it. Oh, there's no. Here it is, my ROG Strix G7. Here it is. Here it is. What we have here is a box. What we have inside the box. Let's watch. Let's watch what we have inside the box. It's a manual. What you need to carefully read about ROG Strix gaming notebook. Where it is. You can see from here. It's manual. What we have in here. We have in here absolutely nothing. What we have in here is a power adapter and good one this charging. And what we have inside here is absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna open this box. By the way, it out. There's nothing left. To make sure nothing left in here. So this was the box with this one. ROG Strix. What we have here. Let's take it back and try to close the box. Try to close the box. I can't believe I can't close the box. Okay, I will do it after. It's a good PC, I think so. You can watch again from the details from here. So the details in here is G713Q, LCD 73, VRAM 6 GB, hard drive 1 TB, and what we have here. Yes, that's all. Let's close the box. It doesn't want to close. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's good. Let it be here. Okay, what we have here is power adapter. Power adapter is 16 Hertz and 24 over. I don't understand. It's maybe watts. Yes, it's watts. And this. Let's watch it here. Rockstrix. Very nice and good. It's clean. Yes, nice. Let's open now from the cover. It's opened up. It's actually pretty heavy, but I don't know what to say. So we open it from here and from here. From here we need to open it. It's absolutely new in box. I bought this because I want something new and beautiful. Now, as you can see, there is no dust, doesn't go out with Rockstrix. It's only one here and it's black, but it was not a cheap laptop. It's a very much costs. Okay, let's watch it. Let's watch for game from the Strix. This laptop. Let's open now. It's open up with one hand. Yes, it's open up with one hand. I don't make a difference why it's open up with one hand, but it doesn't make a difference. Alright, here it is. It's now Rockstrix Ryzen 7 500 series, 5000 series NVIDIA GeForce RTX. Keyboard is quite good. I think I get used by this keyboard. Maybe it's small, but I will get used. It's Wi-Fi 6 and what we have here. No, the power doesn't start. Now, let's go and turn it on and let's watch what it will be. Okay. Now it's plugged on. What we have here. And let's try. There's one problem. Look, this cable is a little bit not long. So if you will have a good table, it's not a problem. But if you have other table which is just a table or cool table, it won't be a cool thing. Let's start it up. Look at this again. It's a nice one. 8 cores, and let's plug it on. Let's watch what she does. The keyboard RPG backlighting. What we have here is doing tricks. Rockstrix. Oh, listen this. It's a cool laptop. We don't have any camera. It's a bad, but what we can do? Absolutely nothing. Let's watch. Okay, I will now set it up, and I think this laptop is worth buying if you don't need a webcam. What I can say more? I can't say absolutely nothing, but it was the best option. I think so. I'm just tired enough to waiting. I'm waiting.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Okay, Cartona, let's go. Let's just press enter. No, it's not working. Oh, I don't know what to say. Welcome, let's go.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to United Kingdom. Is that correct?
No, it's not. It's Estonia. Find Estonia. No.
Which region do you want to use?
Estonia. Estonia. Eesti. Find. Oh yes, my goodness. What we have here? What we have here is in here. Let's find Estonia. Right, Estonia.
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to United Kingdom. Would you like to stick with that?
Yes, of course.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Skip this. Like you can see, it's absolutely normal. That it looks pretty cool, yes. And let's watch to skip it.
Now, let's get you connected to a network.
Yes.
That way, you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Would you like to use that one?
I think yes, it's better to use this. It's more okay. Connect.
Now, type your credentials.
Now I need to type credentials and other things. We're gonna go back. Look, cool PC. Now when it's finally set up, we can bring now on. Look, it's a LED display down here, and I told you already this cable is a problem, but actually it looks good with this perfect display and this perfect touchpad. Touchpad is really good. Like I said, I get used of it typing. I already get used. I think if you use for work or something else, this PC you can always turn in the backlit keyboard off and have fun as much as you want. I mean, in your working, typing something, or banking, or buying something, or finding something. But it can actually be a gaming laptop too, but I don't game. Let's watch, maybe I will start. Look, perfect PC, perfect PC. The clear vision of display. And let's get started. It's a Microsoft. Like we see, yeah, the fans those ventilators start working. It's actually now pretty quiet. I thought it will be very loud, but at the moment it's quiet. It's very fast, very fast. Let's watch what we have. This is an Asus. My Asus. This is Xbox. This is office. That's all. Let's watch my Asus. What we have here. My Asus. Confirm. Start. Okay, I will do now.